So we're discussing the 8 types of heroines or lovers of Krishna, gopi lovers of Krishna, 8 types of moods or feelings or temperaments, which are known as Nayaka. Nayaka, which means the heroine, Nayaka Bhav. So we discussed Abhisarika. Abhisara means going for a meeting, and we gave example of that. Yeah, just to review, the Abhisarika, Nayaka. This means a traveling lover. He or usually she, a Gopi Radharani, Lita Vishaka. They're traveling to meet Krishna, waiting for them at a pre-appointed place somewhere in the forest of Vrindavan. Some kunja, Nikunj, and she's going there to meet him. So then we're discussing about the hopeful waiting lover. The 8 types of Nayaka Bhavas are the traveling lover, Abhisarika, hopeful waiting lover, Vasak Saja, eager anxious lover, Utkantita, a lover who becomes stood up by Krishna, and Vipralabdha, and then a gopi that's cheated and broken-hearted and devastated lover, that's the Kandit. Kandit, of course, means broken. And then there's a respectful, quarreling lover. In other words, after a lover's quarrel, she becomes a little submissive and regretful. Regretful. She regrets having argued so much and so heavily that her beloved ran away. So it's called kalaha. Kalaha means fight, argument. And then antarita at the end. So regretful after quarreling, the regretful after quarreling lover, kalahantarita. And the separated lover, because they're actually physically separated by short distance or large distance, proshita, Bhartrika. And the controlling lover is the Swadhin Bhartrika.